From my upcoming book, On the Earth, I recall a love long past. I recall a love long past that tended wounded me. A love so pure it could not last, but dying as a tree that once I saw on a lonely road, a regal ancient one, betrayed by man's malevolent mood, dying as the sun wakened to the morning breeze, and whispered to the trees, I will take her softly now. Do not ask me why or how.